Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are just taking a little neighborhood walk in Hollywood. We're like beneath Santa Monica Boulevard. Just wanted to check out the scenery. So, what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just stick around in the neighborhood. Down, just to give you an idea of where we are. That street down there is Melrose, which is a very busy street. So, I'm not doing the very busy street right now. So, I'm just gonna take a walk here. Yeah, it's like they got a mixture of apartments and houses, like between, I'll tell you what street we're on as soon as we come up to the stop sign. There's beautiful houses. It's like they're not much, you know, to look at really, but they're expensive. Probably like $1.5 million for the little houses. So yeah, so we're at Waring and Sycamore. So I'm gonna go across the street here and we'll walk in the shade. Yeah, it's cute little places. Houses next to apartments. So this is 832 North Sycamore for anyone who is wanting to do the Google Maps thing of where we are. Looks like somebody's moving and they forgot to bring some stuff with them. Big pink elephant. Yep, someone's definitely moving. Probably decided that they didn't need to have that pink elephant anymore. Yeah, see, so this is Sycamore and Willoughby. So basically right here on across the street is they have a lot of businesses. So it goes from behind it where we just were, houses, to across the street, a bunch of businesses. So cool. So yeah, so we're just gonna stay here on businesses that way. But like here, look at that. There's more apartments. So I think I just made myself a little bit of a liar. Almost had a car accident just then. Everybody pay attention. Don't drive looking at your phone. I guarantee you that's just about what happened. Yeah, so I think we're gonna take a left here on Orange. Yeah, let's do that. So yeah, we're on Willoughby and now we're taking a left on Orange, so we're about to be on Orange. And now we're on Orange, just like that. And at Orange in Santa Monica, which is right above, right in front of us, that's where the Tesla Cafe is. If you want to come have a burger or protest, depending upon what you like to do. (909) Umbrella, welcome to your village. Oh, so childcare, that's what that is, childcare. Well, I think this is this building across the street is one of the Chrome Hearts manufacturing places. If you don't know what Chrome Hearts is, they do a lot of really fancy schmancy stylish wear. Check them out, Chrome Hearts. Yeah, so this is where you can come and chill out. Just go for a walk, look at something besides what you normally look at. The Albert Suite Digital Media Center, 940 Orange. Right. Yeah, we're just coming up into some industrial stuff, so I think we're gonna shut it down. We're gonna shut it down. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Please subscribe to the channel if you are still here, and we'll do all kinds of these walks around Hollywood, and we'll keep this going. Different stuff is coming, so have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.